Hello, hi, namaste, welcome to your obviously not yet favorite YouTube channel. I'm Pooja, a girl with wrinkles. A girl with wrinkles and pimples, which is totally normal. Before you start watching my video, just grab some popcorn and candies that you don't have in your kitchen. Whatever you would like to have, because my video is going to be super fun. We are going to follow makeup tutorial of American singer, songwriter, actress, also who has an amazing makeup line called Ariana Grande. Ta-da! I'm so sorry if I'm not pronouncing her name right. Ariana. Before I knew Ariana Grande, I was aware of some famous celebrities like Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande. I never felt like to search on Google, know more about them. When I came to know about Friends song from Ariana Grande, I was like obsessed with that. Even I made a reel on that. Also, I started watching Also, I started watching Nikki tutorials and Miss Darcy videos. So from these amazing people, I came to know that Ariana also have a makeup line, which I cannot afford. This is how I discovered this topic for my video. How could someone not know global celebrities? Guys, I just know cartoon and Barbie. That's my life.
Vogue, it's Ariana Grande and I am here today to...
Before I start, she have lashes on. Let me put that because I am not familiar with that, so that might take whole day. Don't really know how to use this. I personally don't like to apply lashes because once you get habit of seeing yourself in lashes, you will not accept what your eyes looks naturally. She has lashes on and I have to do that. How to apply this thing? This is impossible. I might avoid this after a certain point. This thing is going to stick everywhere, just not on my eye. I think I'm okay now.
I'm gonna start with the Sarah Ford BioCell Oxygen Serum. Sarah's been doing my...
So she's using a Sarah Ford serum. No words for the cause. I have this from Pilgrim as per my current budget. Frankly, this is not that bad. If anything is bad right now, it's my fate.
I'm going to use Lakme Moisturizer.
Next she goes with a moisturizer. Lakme Moisturizer. I will show you the cost of that product, but I will not look at that. I will not. Oh, that was my school fees. We are going with Nivea. Again, as per my budget.
And I'm going to mix it with some SPF. Growing up,
She's mixing SPF with moisturizer. And I have already applied moisturizer. Now you guys might be thinking she definitely don't have anything like SPF. I have this from Face Moist, which is suggested me by my dermatologist. You guys will be like, oh, she has a dermatologist. Money. I don't know why, but my spots get pink if I apply any moisturizer or any cream. That's cute.
next I'm going to use Arianagrande Under Eye Cooling Balm. This is one of my favorite products we have.
My eyes literally came off when I came to know that there is something called eye balm. Let me digest that. This girl in front of you only know one balm, which is Bhuvan Balm. Now I know that there is something called eye balm. Also, I don't have anything like that. Maybe I have something. I have an eye serum from Pilgrim again. This video is not sponsored by Pilgrim. I wish it was. I don't know if I can use eye serum if I don't have eye balm. I know you guys will be like, idiot, search on Google. Yes, I can. So yes, we can. So, thank you. If you guys see my shorts, I have already started using this Pilgrim eye serum. Amazing.
Shiseido eye patches.
Eye patches. I have that. It's actually my first time to use any eye patch. This is so soft. That's what she said. I don't know the correct way to use this, but Ariana used this. Let's go. We will try exact opposite to my this eye. I guess I cannot laugh. I think this is the correct way. It looks like my eyeshadow suddenly decided to fall. What will I do for 10 minutes now? Maybe I could just talk with you. But even if I talk with you, it's just one-sided. Some of you just like to see video, but you guys don't comment. Why is this coming down? Like my YouTube growth. I know most of you are not comfortable with writing long comments, appreciating someone's video or talking about anything. But I think you guys can just put a heart. because the more you will try to interact me in comment section, I will get motivated to keep on posting my videos. I'll have my snacks. You guys can have yours. Or I can just go with the episode of cartoon. Feels hydrated.
I'm going to use is our brand new Ariana Beauty Sweetener Foundation. I'm using the shade Light 8 NW.
What about primer? Wait, maybe that's the reason to her cuteness? Not applying primer before foundation? Just kidding. Let's agree that Ariana Beauty foundation cost is not that high. Whenever Ariana says Ariana Beauty, I heard it Ariana Beauty. Maybe because I'm a psycho? I'm going to use Forever 52. The shade is Fudge. And this is French Toast. I forgot about concealer. She don't have any pimples. Lot of things. Apply foundation. We have a lot of blenders today. Am I rich now? To add more foundation. I want to tell all the cuties watching me right now that the response I got to my last video was unbelievable. Like, I was not expecting that many views because people don't prefer long videos nowadays. They want short videos. You know, it's really difficult for creators like us to survive. I'm proud of you all. If this pink inner is disturbing you, you guys can just ignore it, just like you ignore the like button. Thumbs up.
I'm gonna use Sweetener Concealer. My shade is Light 4G. And I'm gonna get ready to set with this Anastasia Vanilla Setting Powder. I like to set pretty quickly after I apply.
She applies concealer and quickly go for setting powder so that the concrete cement on her face does not move. I have a new concealer today from Recode. We again have baby of this sponge. This.
I'm gonna fill them in with this MAC Eyebrow Styler in the shade Fling.
MAC Eyebrow Styler? I mean, why not eye pencil or something which is easy? Psycho like me keeps on wondering about that product. What is that for? Where to use that? And the most important, is it really necessary to use? It's just an eyebrow pencil. We are going with my powder eyebrow powder eye pack cake. My eyebrows are definitely not straight like her.
I'm going to use this contour. It says Nivea too because I stole this from my makeup artist. My hairline is sliding back more and more every day. So
time for contour. She's using a she's using a powder contour. Going to use that.
I am the one, the way your son.
I feel like my face has already started looking like Ariana Grande. Just kidding. Just like her forehead, I have to contour my nose, which is spreading day by day.
Trick that I like. And then I'm going to highlight using our Ariana Beauty Miss Mercury highlight. I'm not flipping you off, but maybe, you know?
I cannot unsee that thing. I don't know if you have seen that, but I cannot unsee that thing. Oh, let's apply highlighter. That's too much.
I'm gonna do Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna take this pink that is over here, that one, and just kinda...
Finally, eyeshadow. She goes with a nude pink on her eyelids. We have a lot of options when it comes to pink. I'm using this blush from Sivanna. I can literally see nothing while eyeshadow. I can just feel my hands and my face feels like my...
Our multi-use eye stick in Intergalactic. I'm really concerned about making sure you guys are seeing everything. I'm in the process of doing...
The moment I came to know about the existence of eye stick, I was like, this is something every girl should have. Also, I don't have that. So I keep on watching a lot of reviews. Don't expect eyeshadows like her. I'm not do that. Okay, so done with disappointing eyeshadows.
Dior Rosy Glow.
Next is Dior blush. Oh my god, lot of money. Like I say, it's time to fake our blush. So who is going to make us blush naturally? Taking the same blush. I'm taking the same brush for blush.
Back to the Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna mix that guy and this one. Oh my god, I'm allowed to use this. I just found out. We have hope.
Next step is a huge task for me. I have millions of wrinkles in this part and my eye is never stable. Let's try to make an angle like her. Brown eyebrow pack. Whatever. More upward. Stuck with the second wing. Let's go with the liquid liner. Okay, not bad. Yeah! Amazing. The thing is, I have to do this exact on this eye. I was never this much perfect in liner before, but today it's perfect. Here's. Next is mascara.
Still do have love for it. I'm doing mascara. And
In case if you have not seen Ariana Grande's Vogue video, I will be giving summary at the end, which is emotional. I literally felt to hug her tight. Lip stain marker. Isn't that amazing? I wish I had that. Also, I know one day I will have that as a PR in my dreams. Can you hear that? I don't know how to blend it. I can do that with my lips.
Juicy tubes.
I was not able to find this gloss on REM Beauty website, maybe due to my weak technical skills.
I saw Hailey Bieber use my product in her video, and I brought hers to mine because I love this lip mask.
This is something I feel is the best thing you could ever do to someone to make them feel happy. In Marathi we say that Bais baisi dushman aste, which means woman is woman's enemy. That is the most cutest thing I found in this video. I like to see girls supporting each other. Oh, I was not expecting this. Definitely going to use this thing. This is the best drink I have found. So how can I forget you? This is not sponsored. In her makeup video, Ariana talks about all the insecurities she had over the years. For her, makeup was to hide. She also opened up about Botox, lip fillers. Now look, I am aware of all the controversies she had. But I think rather than pointing out negative things from anyone, we can take some good things from them. I appreciate her for being honest because common people are not aware of Botox and lip surgeries, etc. things. They start doubting themselves. They start doubting their looks, their body shape. So what good thing we can take from her video is to start loving ourselves, to love what you got naturally. And that is it. So this was me following Ariana Grande's makeup routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed a lot. And in case you have some popcorn and candies left, you guys can just click one of this and continue binge watching me. Have a nice day, lots of love.